Hello everyone, welcome to our update on March 20th, 2024. So looking at our UKV, you can see that this morning was wet in many areas of the east and southeast, but the rain did clear off in the morning into the afternoon and was followed from the northwest by bright spells, but also some cloud. It's quite a decent afternoon, but the clouds is lingering for a time in the east. Into the evening, we will see this high cloud pushing in from the west, and this will bring some rain into the early hours of the morning onto the western coasts. Again, sorry about the slow loading of the model. Into tomorrow, we will see patchy light rain push into the north and northwest especially, possibly heavier at times in the northwest before this gradually pushes southeastwards through Thursday. This is a cold front, so behind that we will be seeing a cooler air mass from the northwest, a polar maritime air mass with heavy blustery showers. Into Friday, we will see some convection with the sun heating the ground up combined with the cold upper temperatures, and this will generate heavy showers on Friday, heaviest in the north. If you go to 3 p.m. there, you can see that there are these specks of showers widely, so showers here, heaviest there in the north, and possibly with the odd rumble of thunder. Into Saturday, we see more of the same, with the same polar maritime air mass in from the northwest. In the morning, some might be wintry, especially in Ulster. Could even be some snow, especially towards high ground. In the afternoon, they go mainly to rain and become more widespread. And into Sunday, then we see things drying off in the morning with some nice sunshine after a chilly start, followed in the afternoon by rain from the southwest. Temperatures then generally are looking mild up until Friday before cooling off into the weekend. Here we go. So, temperatures then. You can see through Wednesday in the afternoon, not looking too bad, about 9 to 12. In the sunshine, feeling pleasant. Into the evening, into Thursday morning. Thursday starts mild before the afternoon is again about average for time of year, about 11 degrees quite widely. Into the evening and night on Thursday, we see a cooler air mass coming in from the west, but not desperately cold. And into Friday itself, highs will reduce. Let's see, back to around 6 to 9 Celsius. And then into Saturday, again, the same cooler air mass is over us. So highs on Saturday reaching around 6 to 9 or 8 Celsius even. And then Sunday might start off quite chilly, with a local frost, but towards the afternoon and evening, temperatures will slowly rise in sunshine. Where it rains on Sunday, in the southwest, it'll feel very miserable, and into Monday, we are still into that chilly air mass with a jet stream on a northwest to southeast alignment. So here is the NAO index of certain forecasters. So we're currently at around neutral with the index. It will rise into the week and the weekends before dropping into early April towards a weekly negative territory. And that is shown actually by weak blocking over Greenland and the jet stream lining up from Canada down towards Spain and Portugal. And we see a lot of cold areas of low pressure. So the GFS 6-head run is showing that into Thursday, we will see this cold front gradually pushing in from the northwest. By Friday, we're pulling in this cooler air mass from the northwest, bringing in these showers. Into Saturday and Sunday, we see this cooler again, possibly colder, northwesterly or northerly flow, while into next week, we see this next area of low coming in from the Atlantic, and it is going southwards. So on the northern edge of this low, there might be some wintriness. There just might be some wintriness with that. Upper temperatures by Tuesday at 6 p.m. Yes, definitely cold enough for some winteriness in Ulster, especially there. And looking at the precipitation forecasts for that time, there might be some. There just might be some. Remember, March is not too late for winteriness or even snow. Into the end of the week, we see that low staying over us, bringing more showers and areas of rain. Into the Easter weekend now, we see heights gradually rising from the south and southwest. So we see this drier spell forming then. A few incursions from the west still, but definitely a lot drier. Actually, by the 3rd of April and beyond, we are strongly under high pressure and turning warmer as well, as the wind does go more southerly or southeasterly. Here's the ECM. So the ECM is looking like this. So again, cold front comes in from the west on Friday morning or Thursday evening. And Friday is showery and cooler. Saturday is again probably going to be a cooler showery day. Yes, it is. With the low towards the northeast, and in come these winds from the northwest. Into next week, we see more lows coming in, and they just bring more cool and chilly and wet weather around with them. And beyond that, we see this next deep low coming in towards the end of next week, towards Easter, and that goes a bit milder, yes, but very, very unsettled. GEM is next. So GEM is pulling in again. Thursday is the last of the milder days before Friday goes cooler and more showery. Saturday is the same. Sunday we see this next low coming in from the west. This system here is struggling, and that low ends up pushing over us and to our south on Monday and Tuesday. So looking quite cool and unsettled there. By Wednesday we are into this quite chilly and very cyclonic air mass there. Notice the black line, that is the jet stream, is far to our south. Far to our south. So we are well onto the cooler side of the jet. So very cool and unsettled. A delayed spring. Also blocking towards Greenland. This is the UK Met run. So UK Met run, again, by Thursday evening is pulling in a cold front, and by Friday and Saturday we're pulling in these cooler and showery winds from the North Atlantic. Into Sunday and Monday, we see this next low coming in, but it struggles to push northwards and instead just slides over us and to our southeast, and we just end up very cyclonic there and chilly with showers and